In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best base layers in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Wool polyester blends are becoming more and more popular. Leveraging the best of both worlds, they're warm, manage sweat, and dry quickly. Black Diamond Solution uses new iron material, spinning ultra-fine merino wool around a synthetic core. We found the materials dry quickly, are reputed 5 times faster than pure merino fabric, which can hold up to 30% of its weight in moisture, has fantastic mechanical stretch, and hits it out of the park for durability. While it does contain wool, this base layer feels great against the skin in party to the flat lock seams. We've worn it for dozens of days, and have been repeatedly impressed with this layer for comfort, quick drying, and odor resistance. The solution sleeves are long, with a true pair of thumb loops that wrap around the wrist. Just shy of $140, you pay the price, but this is an exceptional piece for hard-working backcountry enthusiasts. Number 4. Let's give a shout out to our hunters. They spend hours, if not days, quietly waiting in what can be atrocious conditions. Sitka Gear's core lightweight is their foundation piece for the fall's fickle weather. While Sitka takes aim at the hunt market with its garments, there's a lot of greatness that spills over into other activities. And we found the lightweight hoodie is a wonderful foundation to our year-round kit. The lightweight synthetic fibers are treated with polygene, preventing odor buildup. The material has a smooth face, and the arms are finished with thumb loops that make it easy to layer over. The hood wraps around the face and closes under the chin with the half-length zipper. There's no awkward binding or obstruction of view. Inside the hood hangs an integrated neck gaiter that doubles as a face mask. The lightweight material pulls up over the nose when you want it or sits around the neck like a gaiter. Don't want it in the way? You can slide it behind the neck when putting on the shirt. It's breathable, it's versatile, and it's one of our favorite design features that we've seen on a base layer yet. True to the name, the lightweight hoodie is a lightweight base. Worn alone, it's up to spring through fall tasks and serves as a solid foundation for trips that dip into winter. If you're not a hunter, Sitka offers this next to skin base in a variety of solid colors that take the edge off the hook and bullet. Number 3. High-quality base layers can get pretty expensive, and many people are hesitant to pay top dollar for clothing no one else will ever see. While some top-notch base layers justify their price with comfort and performance, others are simply overpriced. With that said, there are some great budget options on the market too, such as the Sport Long John's base layer, $26, set from Midway. For less than half of the price of many of the base layer tops on this list, the Midway top and bottom set is comfortable, stretchy, and perfectly suited for active use in mild to moderate winter conditions. These base layers are made from a thin polyester and spandex blend and definitely fit into the lightweight category. While you shouldn't expect a ton of warmth and heat retention from these, they do provide a layer of simple comfort without restricting mobility. In warm conditions, we found these base layers capable of wicking sweat without becoming wet and saturated. They're breathable too, which is much appreciated on the approach trail or the skin track. Though these no-frills base layers lack the high-tech materials and long-term durability of some other options on this list, they're effective, simple, and fairly priced. Number 2. If you're on a budget, the Helly Hansen Lipa Stripe Crew is an affordable option that doesn't skimp on performance. Helly Hansen's proprietary Lipa dry material excels at moisture wicking and dries very quickly, so it's a great choice for high-output activities. This base layer isn't as warm as some others on our list, but the fit and flat lock seams make it comfortable for layering under other clothing. It's also designed with flat, fitted cuffs that work nicely under gloves. We love the Lipa Crew for snow sports and backpacking since it has just the right amount of insulation for active days. Number 1. You may be surprised to discover that you actually don't have to pay an arm and a leg for a superb merino wool top. The Marywill Midway Thermal offers near top quality performance at a fraction of the cost of most of the 100% merino tops we tested. Even though it is firmly in the midweight category, the extra fine spun wool used to create this layer is more breathable than other directly comparable models, making it a great option for folks engaged in high-output activities like ski touring. Couple that with a slim, stylish fit, and you have a layer you can take from the mountain straight to après-ski. With the benefits of increased breathability, you will sacrifice of a bit of warmth. Don't expect this layer to be quite as warm as other 250-gram square meters options included in this review. Though soft, the merino wool is slightly itchy at first and takes some breaking in before it is snugly comfy. We hope that a future design of this shirt moves the seams off the shoulder top, which can rub when wearing a heavy pack. Beyond these small critiques, the Marywill Midway Thermal presents a reasonable entry point into all-natural base layers. It is the perfect companion for cool weather camping during the shoulder seasons, works well for both resort and backcountry skiing, and is certainly a stylish top to be worn casually. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.